Selamat sejahtera, Dr. Hidayah. My name is Lim Weeee and my partner is Talimin. We are both from the section 1. This is our project, Weeee delivery. In this project, the first function is shrink current date time. In this function, our time and date will declaration automatically when we call this function. This is our base class menu. In this class menu, we will show the main menu and read the customer information. This is a constructor function for the main menu, and this is a default constructor for the main menu, and all the variables is set to null. And this is our information function. In this function, we will read the name of the customer, we read the contact number, address, and delivery time. And this is the condition for the time delivery. Because our business time is only valid from the 10 a.m. to 22 p.m. So if user key in time that exclude from this period, we will pop up and show that please enter another time for the user, and it will go to D. That is, user have to rekey in the valid time. And this is our virtual show menu. In this show menu, we will show our 3 main menu, that is a burger or fried chicken or beverage. And the user will key in the selections. This is the accessor get name, that will return the customer name, return the customer contact, return the address. And this is the seller, that is a composition relationship. And in this seller, we have used a main menu pointer. And this is a default constructor for seller. This is a mutator function for get seller. By using the main menu pointer and point to name, and the seller name is equal to name. And this is the accessor to get contact number seller, and this is the get seller name. Next, this is our class burger, that is inheritance from the public main menu. This burger we will show menu. We will show our burger menu, that is Zinger burger or Esther burger or super cheeseburger. And the user have to key in his choice. If the user key in one, that is Zinger burger, that price is 8.9, and user have to key in the quantity, and the quantity will act as the argument for the order functions and store in the queue price 1. And this is all the same with the above action. If our customer enter an invalid order, we will ask the user please key in the correct order, and we go to A, that is user have to re-key in the selection. And this is the accessor to get quantity 1, quantity and single burger, Esther burger and double cheeseburger. And this is the mutator to get order 1, 2, 3, which is a 3 kind of the burger. And this will return the burger price, and we use the order function to calculate the total price by multiple the quantity and price for each item. T is the total price, which is Q is quantity that's multiple with the price. We will accumulate the T and store in the total price. So the total price is a total price for the burger function. We will return the total price by using the get total price. And we have a friend function used to calculate the bill. Next, that is a fried chicken class. Same as above, we will display our fried chicken menu. That is a spicy fried chicken, original fried chicken, teriyaki fried chicken. And the user have to key in each choice and send as above. The user will key in the quantity that he wants, and we will store, and the quantity is act as an argument for the order functions, and store in the price and store in the queue price. And if the user key in the invalid order, we will ask user to key in again. And this is a getter, and this will return the quantity for each kind of the fried chicken, and this will return the order. This will return the price, and in this order function is same as above, that will use to calculate the total price for the fried chicken class, and will return the total price. And this is our friend functions to use to calculate bill. And this is the beverage class, which inheritance from the main menu. Then as above, we have three kinds of the drinks, which is Coke, Pepsi, and chocolate. And user have to key in each choice, and then as above, that is user have to key in the quantity, and we store the quantity as argument for the order and store in the queue price. And if the user have invalid key in, we will ask user to key in again. And this is an order function. We'll use it to accumulate and calculate price in the beverage class. And this is a function to get the quantity for all kind of drinks and to get order of drinks and get the quantity price of drinks. And we also have a friend class that is calculate bill. In the calculate bill function, we have a three class object, that is a burger object, fried chicken object, and a beverage object. And we will calculate the total bill by sum the total price for each object. And next, this is our bill function. In our bill function, we will calculate the total price that include the tax. And our tax is a 1% of the total price. That is, so we use a calculate bill times with the 0.01 to get the tax. And we have store our total price that includes the tax as a total P. And that is a tax plus our total price. And we have used the output file to output our receipts. And so we use a open file, that is the file name is a receipt. And we are printing receipt, and inside the receipt we include the customer information by calling the object of the main menu to get a get name, get contact, get address, and remark. In this part, the quantity for all kinds of the food that we display. And this we will display the price that without tax by calling the total bill, and we display our tax and the total price that will total P that we calculate above. And this is our cashier UDV, and we will display our date and time by calling the current date time, and we close the file. Next, we have the rating class, that is a class rate. In this class, customer will rating for our service. So this is a default constructor for rate, and this is a mutator, and this is the mutator for rate class. And this is the accessor that will return the service interface rate. And this is the overload operator. It will sum up the rating, and the rating will be displayed when we return the temp.
Hi doctor, this is Stanley Min. I'm going to explain and demo my code. It will show our banner. Then the business time and the contact, and the seller's name will be shown at the very first. The seller name or the seller information is stored in the pointer named by seller1. After that, the program will go to information, which is in the class main menu. The purpose of the information function is to store the name, the contact and address, and the delivery time of the customer. Our business time is between 10 a.m. until 22 p.m. So if I key a invalid time, let's say I key this, then it will pop up the message of our times. The times that I key in is invalid, and please enter another times. So I have to key in the time between 10 to 22. After that, my code will jump to the Show menu in Main menu. At this stage, it will show a menu for the customer to decide whether he or she wants to buy burger, fried chicken, or beverage. This is how it looks like. If I want to buy fried chicken, then I key in 2. And then the number 2 will be stored in the variable choose. And then if the choose equals to 1, it will jump to the show menu for the burger. And if it is 2, jumps to the show menu for the fried chicken, and 3 for the beverage. Since I key in 2, so it jumps to the show menu of the fried chicken. So now I can choose which fried chicken is the one I want to buy. So if I choose spicy fried chicken, then it will ask for the quantity. When I key in the flavor that I want, so I just key in 1 for the spicy fried chicken, it will jump to this, and then it will ask for the quantity. And since I key in 1 for the quantity, so the number of 1 in the quantity 4 will be passed to the order, the function order. In the function order, it will be doing the calculation for the price of the spicy fried chicken with the amount that I want. Just use the time, and then the answer will store in the total price. After that, it will jump back to the main function and then ask whether the customer wants to continue their order. If he or she wants, then just key in Y. After that, when Y is stored in the purchase variable, then it will go back to show menu in main menu again, and then choose which flavor that you want to buy. It is the same process like the previous one, so I will just go down with the demo. So for this time, I would like to test if I enter an invalid number, like if I enter 4. So my system will pop out the message of the invalid selection and ask the customer whether he or she want to continue the order. So if I want, so I just key in Y. And then I would like to do the order again. So if I decided to not to order anything else, so I just say no. And then my program will jump up from the while loop. Go to these sentences. Is there any reminder for the seller or the delivery man? If yes, I just key in Y, and then the comments will go and store in the variable command. After that, we will ask for the customer to rate for our delivery system. If he or she wants to rate for our delivery system, then it will go into this to give us the mark. So the rate is between 1 until 5. If I enter an invalid number, so it will loop up again to let the customer to rate again. After the rating, the system will calculate the total of the rating using the overloaded operator. After the rating, the customer can receive a receipt. For the receipt, we use the output file to do the receipt, so it will receive a text. So this is how the receipt look like. It will also show the date of the receipt. So thank you, and this is the end of the demo.